Jai Shri Krishna. Gita Chalisa. 40 selected verses of Bhagavad Gita for guidance into the activities of day-to-day life and yogic unity in meditation. Na sato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sata. Ubhyorapi drishtonas tavanyos tattva darshavi. The unreal has no existence and the real never ceases to be. The essential truth about both of these is perceived by the seers of truth. Karmani vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phal heturbhur ma te sangostva karmani. Your right is to perform your work only and not at all to its fruit. Let not the fruit of action be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tayaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. O Arjuna, perform your actions, being steadfast in yoga. Renounce all attachments and be balanced in success and failure. Equanimity of mind is said to be yoga. Dhyayato vishyan punsa sangasteshu pajayate sanga sanjayate kama kamat क्रोधो भिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहा सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमा स्मृति भ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशा प्रणयश्यति. The man who broods over the objects of the senses, he develops attachment for them. From attachment springs up desire. The desire unfulfilled ensues anger. From anger arises delusion. From delusion, the confusion of memory. From the confusion of memory, the loss of reason. And from the loss of reason, he goes to complete ruin. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyutthanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamaya. Whenever there is decline of righteousness, dharma, and the rise of unrighteousness, O Arjuna, then I manifest myself. परित्राणाय साधूना विनाशाय चतुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. For the protection of the virtuous, for the destruction of the wicked, and for the establishment of righteousness, dharma, I come into being from age to age. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tansthaiva bhajamayam mama vartmanu vartante manushya path sarvasha. In whatever way men approach me, so do I accept them. For all men follow my path in every way, O Arjuna. नाहि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रमिह अविद्यते तत्स्वयं योग संसिद्ध कालेनात्मनि विन्दते. Certainly, there is no purifier in this world like the transcendental knowledge. He who becomes perfected in yoga, he experiences this in his own self in due course of time. Shraddhavan labhte jnanam tatpara संयतेन्द्रिया ज्ञानम लब्ध्वा परां शांति मचिरेणा दिगच्छति. He who is endowed with faith and who is devoted to it, who has disciplined his senses, he obtains knowledge. Having attained knowledge, he immediately attains supreme peace. Uddhirdatmanatmanam natmanam mavasadaye atmaiha atmano bandho ratmai ripara atmana. Let a man lift himself by his self. Let him not degrade himself, for he himself is his own friend and he himself is his own enemy. Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenat maivatmana jita अनातमस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुः. To him who has conquered his lower self by the higher self, his self becomes a friend. But for him who has not conquered his lower self, his own self acts as an enemy. युञ्जन्नै सदात्मानं योगी नियतमानसः शान्तिं निर्वाणपरमां मत्संस्थामधिगच्छति. Thus, constantly uniting his mind with me, the yogi of disciplined mind attains peace, the supreme nirvana which abides in me. Yada viniyatam chitta matmanyavavadhishthate nispraha sarvakamebhyo yukta id uchyate tada. When the perfectly disciplined mind rests in the self alone and is free from the yearning for the objects of desires, one is said to be united in yoga. Sarvabhutasthamatmanam sarvabhutani chatmani ikshati yoga yuktatma sarvatra samadarshana. He whose self is established in yoga, he beholds the self abiding in all beings and all beings in the self. He sees equality everywhere. Yo mam pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyati तस्यायं न प्रणश्यामि सा च मे न प्रणश्यति. He who sees me everywhere and sees everything existing in me, I am never out of sight for him, nor is he ever out of my sight. सर्वभूत स्थितं यो मां भजत एकत्वमास्थितः सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि स योगी मयि वर्तते. He who being established in oneness worships me dwelling in all beings, that yogi ever resides in me, though engaged in all forms of activities. बहुनां जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान् मां प्रपद्यते वासुदेवा सर्वमिति सा महात्मा सुदुर्लभा. At the end of many births, the man of wisdom seeks refuge in me alone, realizing that Vasudeva is all. It is indeed very difficult to find such a great soul, Mahatma. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhakta shraddhaya chitumicchati tasya tasya chalam shraddha tameva viddhamayam. Whatever form a devotee seeks to worship with faith, I make his faith in that firm and unflinching. Ananya cheta satatam yo mam samrati nityasha tasyayam sulabha parth nityayuktasya yogina. He who constantly remembers me with undivided attention, to him I am easily attainable, O Partha, since he is ever united in yoga. Purusha sapara Parth bhaktaya labhasya tavannaya yasyant sthani bhutani yena sarvamidam tatam. The Supreme Transcendent Purusha, O Arjuna, is attainable by undivided devotion, within whom all the beings reside and by whom all is pervaded. Ananyas chintayanto ma ye jana pari upasate tesham nityabhiyuktana yogashema vahamayam. The men who worship me alone with undivided devotion, to those ever united in thought with me, I bring full security and personally attend to their needs. Patram pushpam phalam toya yo me bhaktaya prayachati tadaham bhaktayo prarare mashnami prayatatmana. A leaf, flower, fruit, water, whoever offers me with loving devotion, I accept the pious offering of the pure-minded with great joy. Samoham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshosti na priya, ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktaya, maite teshu chapaya. I am alike to all beings. To me, there is none hateful or dear. But those who worship me with devotion are in me, and I am also in them. Manmana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame veshyasi yuktaiva matmanam matparayana. Fix your mind on me, be devoted to me, adore me, salute me in reverence. Thus, being united in yoga with me and taking me as your ultimate goal, surely you will come to me. Bhaktaya tavannaya shakya ahamevam vidu arjuna gyatum drishtum cha tattvena parveshtum cha param tapa. But only by undivided devotion, however, O Arjuna, I can be seen in this form, be known in essence, and also perceived and experienced. Mat karma krin mat parmo, mad bhakta sanga varjita, nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yasa mameti pandava. He who performs all his actions for me, considers me as his supreme goal, and is totally devoted to me, who is non-attached and free from malice towards all beings, surely comes to me, O Arjuna. Mayyeva man adhatsva, mayi buddhim niveshaya, nivasishyasi mayyeva ad urdhva na sanshaya. Settle your mind in me alone. Let your intellect dwell in me. Then you will live in me alone. There is no doubt about this. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasa, jnana dhyanam vishishyate, dhyanat karma phalatyagas, tyaga chantirantaram. Better indeed is knowledge than practice without proper insight. Better than knowledge is meditation. Superior to meditation is renunciation of the fruits of action. From renunciation, one attains peace immediately. Jyotishamapi tajyotis tamasa paramuchyate jnanam gyam jnanagamyam hridi sarvasya vishtatam. That the light of all lights is said to be beyond darkness. The knowledge, the object of knowledge, as well as the goal of knowledge, is seated in the hearts of all. Utkramantam sithatam vapi punjanam vagunavitam vimura nanupashyanti pashyanti jnana chakshusha. The deluded do not perceive the indwelling soul while departing from or dwelling in the body and experiencing the objects of the senses in contact with the modes. But they who possess the eye of wisdom truly see. Sarvasya chaham hridhi sanavishto mataha smritir jnanamapoham cha vedascha sarve rahamev vidya vedant kritve vidyeva chaham. I am seated in the hearts of all. I am the source of memory, wisdom, and ratiocinative faculty. I am subject to be known through all the Vedas. I am the author of Vedanta as well as the knower of the Vedas. Yaggadana tapa karma natyajyam karyamevatha yagyo danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishana. Yajna, charity, and austerity are not to be abandoned. These should be performed because yajna, charity, and austerity are the purifiers of the wise. Brahma bhuta prasannatma na shojati na kankshati sama sarveshu bhuteshu mad bhaktim labde param. Settled in the identity with Supreme Parabrahm, cheerful in mind, he neither grieves nor desires. Regarding all beings alike, he attains supreme devotion to me. Bhaktaya mam bhijanati yavanyashchasmi tattvata tato mam tattvato gyatva vishate tadnantaram. Through devotion, he comes to know about me, what and who I am in essence. Then, having known me in truth, he enters into me. Sarva karmanyapi sada kurvano madvyapashaya mat prasadat davapnoti shashvatam padmavayam. While performing all actions, he who always seeks refuge in me, by my grace, he attains the eternal, immutable state. Tameva sharanam gacch sarvabhaven bharata tat prasadat param shanti sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. Take refuge in him alone with all your being, O Arjuna. By his grace, you will attain the supreme peace and the eternal abode. Manmana bhav mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame veshyasi satyam te pratijane priyosi me. Focus your mind on me. Be devoted to me. Worship me with the totality of your heart. You will come to me alone. I promise you certainly, because you are very dear to me. सर्वधर्मान् परित्याज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचा. Resigning all the dharmas, seek refuge in me alone. I shall liberate you from all sins. Grieve not. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shirir Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Netir Matir Mama. Wherever there is the contemplative wisdom and the yogic power of Shri Krishna, the devoted yogic unity and the practical efficiency of Arjuna in performing work, there is morality, welfare, unfailing righteousness, success, victory, glory, and everything else. May the teachings of Bhagavad Gita bless everyone with power of enlightened love, devotion, and true knowledge, restoring peace, happiness, and harmony on earth. Krishna Sharana Gacchami. 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 Krishna Sharana Krishna Sharanam Gacchami. 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 Krishna Sharanam Krishna Sharanam Gacchami.